You're still saying online money no dey pay, then you have never heard about this website. Imagine earning online small but steadily without stress. Now let me plug you to this website called freebzy.com. We reviewed this website last year and a lot of people made money on this particular website. A lot of people withdrew their money on this particular website because it was working. But after a while, the job stopped coming in on this particular website. I won't lie to you, so some of us just left it. Now this year I got a notification from them that they are actually working behind the scene to upgrade their network from paying in Nigeria currency to USD, which is dollars, and they have upgraded their website to a new website called payout. Now let's review this website together. If you're watching this video, it means you're probably tired of online scams, fake businesses, promises, and platforms that waste your time. Well, I understand. That's why today I want to talk about this particular website called payout, and I want us to actually review this particular website together because it was helping people to make money as at last year. So before they upgraded it to the dollar version, it's a website where you actually do simple digital tax. Now let's go. Payout.com is an online earning platform designed to help users earn money by participating in simple online service, tasks, or activities. Once you sign up on this website, you get access to different opportunities that don't require any special skill or any experience or certifications or any long grammar. It is just consistency. The website works is that first you register. The first thing you need to do is to actually register on this particular website. After the registration, you input your details, give them, then you get access to the dashboard where you can see available tags and options. For you to register, you need to input your full name, your preferred username, email address, your referral code, and other things. Now, depending on the system you're actually using, maybe a mobile phone or a laptop, you can choose to start by completing simple online tasks, participating in engagement-based activities, following instructions provided on the platform. The more activities you're engaged in, the more opportunities you unlock. That is why consistency is the key with this particular platform. Now, who can use payout? One good thing about payout is that it is beginner-friendly. It is suitable for students, stay-at-home parents, anyone looking for extra income, people who want to earn online without stress. As long as you have a smartphone or a laptop, an internet connection, time, and patience, you can actually start earning on payout. Now, it is important for me to be honest with you at this point. Any website that pays online will require time, effort, and consistency. So if anybody tells you otherwise, just know that they are lying. If at this point you have watched this video to this level and you have not liked this video, please do well to hit the like button. By that, it actually encourages us. Do well to also follow and share with friends and families who are interested in making money online. Now, even at that, I would also like you to also do your own research, understand how the platform works fully before actually signing up. Put money into any platform that you actually are supposed to actually earn from online, because usually it's always a scam. Now, online also needs sense. So if you're thinking you can just jump into it, you must be joking. So if at this point you don't know this website right now, you should be heading towards the website to sign up. I mean, it's an easy way for you to earn, and it is free to actually sign up. As you can see, they have all the details, all the informations on their platform. We pay you for your likes, comments, and views. They pay you for everything on this particular platform. If you need the information about them, you can actually come to somewhere like this place and ask about and read about them, because they are a social media monetization platform or app that actually helps African creators and individuals, and they have over 25,000 members on their platform. Now, if you have any question about payout, you can actually drop it in the comment section, and also you can also visit their Q&A section to actually read through the questions they have and the answers they have about how you can actually earn money online on their website. So with that being said, guys, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please do well to subscribe and hit the like button. Let me know in the comment section if this looks like a website you eventually try out or sign up on, because they're actually paying you in dollars. See you in another video. Thank you.